Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your environment and laying out intent. Install required libraries and open a new project folder. Create a virtualim so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, sketch a simple layout: header, sidebar, content frame. Make sure to map which widgets show live data and which are static. Then scaffold a basic Tkinter window with a grid or pack layout, add placeholder frames, and write a main loop to test responsiveness. You'll now implement the dashboard's core: widgets and data plumbing. Create frames for each panel and populate with labels, buttons, and a tree view for tabular data. Connect callbacks to buttons and selection events. When fetching data, offload heavy I/O to a thread or use after to avoid freezing the UI. Transform raw data with pandas and render charts via Matplotlib figure canvas tkag. Once charts and tables update correctly, make sure to centralize state so widgets read a single source of truth. You'll finish by polishing layout and adding persistence features. Adjust grid weights and padding for responsiveness, implement save/export functions, and schedule periodic refreshes with after. Add try/accept blocks around data fetches and give clear error messages. Once complete, test with large datasets and varying window sizes to ensure stability. If widgets stop updating, check for blocked main loop. Move blocking calls to threads. Confirm after scheduling and log exceptions so you can pinpoint the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.